So hello.
Hi, Nicholas.
So we're here at the Type-C dock factory right here in Shenzhen.
Yeah, welcome, Nicholas. Welcome to visit our factory.
So it's a busy time right now.
Yes, it's very busy because we have to ship 2,000 pieces tomorrow.
Can you do that?
Of course we can.
You can?
Yes,
on time. Every time is on time.
Yes, exactly. And with very good quality.
So right here, this is the beginning, I guess?
Yeah, this is
and
the
then
beginning.
What is he doing right here?
Our colleague right now was upgrading the firmware inside the board.
So putting a firmware in the board.
Yes.
Flashing a firmware that can do stable functionality, because this one has two Type-C.
Yes, this is perfect for a MacBook.
So some MacBook have two Type-C right there.
Yeah. Let me show you the. We even doing the same color. We're doing the same color with MacBook Pro, perfect to match. You see?
So it's stable on the side.
Yes.
And
then with this one is the Thunderbolt 3 direct charge, and this one is for data, a micro SD and the SD card reader, and two USB 3.0 in the side. And here HDMI is for the 4K to monitor or TV, anyone.
Nothing more?
Yeah.
That's a lot.
And we also change a little bit the ports. You see, even if a user have the case on the MacBook, it also can use our hub.
So what does it help to have two Type-C at the same time? Is it faster or?
No, it's one Type-C is in charge for the charging, and another is in charge
for the data.
Yes, right.
All right. So then right here, for example, so she's testing something else.
This girl was testing the data, reading. She's checking the Type-C ports is working, and the USB 3.0. You see, we are all using this and this USB 3.0 for testing here.
Fast one.
Yes.
Testing that everything is in full speed and working.
Yes. And here, this girl was testing the display.
So it's doing HDMI.
Yes, HDMI. We all use the Dell XPS for testing in our factory.
Dell XPS is very stable also.
Yes, it's very stable. It's much more solid than MacBook. So here he is testing the charging.
Hi.
Hello, I'm Jonathan.
Hey, cool. So what are you testing right here? Charging. Testing, checking that the power delivery is okay.
Yes, exactly.
And and all these guys, they can also make your.
This is the school. Already finished the testing.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
100 pieces for one panel.
1, 2, 3.
So nearly 1,000. Yeah. Really.
And then next week another 2,000. What?
Yes.
Why always busy?
Yeah, because we are very good quality and we always deliver goods on time. Given the case, everything, I think we already did a very job.
How many you shipped so far?
We shipped several thousand per month, every month.
Are you in millions or not yet? Not yet the millions, right?
We could be, because this is not so big market than power bank.
Yeah, we need some new ideas to do bigger. And these guys, they're actually working on some different product right here.
Yes. Let me show you our SMT one.
Oh. Check the SMT. Okay. Hello. So
they are
putting the masks on the system here.
Yes.
They do a perfect job?
Yeah, they are working very hard.
24 hours?
For SMT, we have a 3 shopper each day.
So full always used?
Yes.
They never go to sleep, those machines.
Yeah, because it's robotics.
Japanese never go to sleep.
Yeah, Japanese robotics is the best.
Japanese robots, they just work 24/7. Charging it up with the next batch of solutions right here. So if there's like a big order of millions, what do?
We just need to
Buy Foxconn.
yeah. We focus the quality. So we have a totally 6 times quality checking for all types of board. For the board we have 3 times. 1 time for the data, 1 time for the display, 1 time for the charging. And for the finished products after assembly we will have a 1 time, 3 times again for the charging, for the display, for the data. Okay.
And here, some sound going on.
Yeah, something like
Hopefully everybody's okay.
Okay.
Cool. All right, let's go back to your assembly line. So you don't sleep so much these days because you have to deliver, right? Very busy.
Yes.
Cool. I think Type C is great. Has a big potential. If everything can work in a Type C,
Yes.
it'd be amazing.
Yes.